Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drone with 4K camera. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, KCX. 3-axis mechanical self-stabilizing gimbal, equipped with a 3-axis brushless mechanical self-stabilizing gimbal to effectively eliminate camera shake and improve shooting quality. Supports 90 degrees remote control and 120 degrees ultra-wide shooting range. 7.4 volt 3800 mAh lithium battery, 28 minutes battery life. The body battery adopts a modular drawer design and uses USB interface for charging, which is more convenient and hassle-free. Brushless power, level 8 strong air resistance. The drone is equipped with 4 high-performance and energy-saving brushless motors, high efficiency, powerful power and energy-saving, reasonable implementation. Number 4. Brand name, C-Fly. The C-Fly Faith 2 Pro's camera is based on a powerful Ambarella A12 imaging processor and a Sony CMOS image sensor. The charging process from 10 to 100% takes about 5 to 6 hours. The Faith 2 Pro drone is powered by a 3-cell 3100 mAh battery that should allow up to 35 minutes to pass. The LiPo package has 4 LEDs indicating the charge level and a power button. The beauty of the C-Fly Faith 2 Pro controller is that it works like a Wi-Fi repeater. Basically, your phone is talking to the drone through the transmitter. The altitude of the flight is actually limited to 120 meters, but you can easily override this safety feature in the C-Fly 2 application, allowing extra 500 meters for maximum altitude. Number 3. Brand name, YLRC. Foldable arms, compact structure, easy to carry. ESC 6K HD wide-angle camera. The angle can be adjusted to 90 degrees by the controller. Connectable app with 5G Wi-Fi function, can take photos or videos and transmit images in real time through the phone camera. GPS-assisted flight, provide you with accurate positioning details of the drone. The built-in return to home function can ensure safer flight. The drone will automatically and accurately return home when the battery is low or out of range when the signal is weak, without worrying about losing the drone. Optical flow positioning. The fixed point height makes indoor shooting easier and more stable. Height hold mode. By setting the external air pressure, the quadcopter can hover steadily in the air, making shooting easier. The longest flight time is 30 minutes. The large capacity 7.4 volt 3000 mAh smart battery can produce up to 30 minutes of flight time. The fuselage of the quadcopter is made of high-strength engineering plastic, which is light in weight and durable. Number 2. Brand name, 4DRC. Easy operation. Foldable and flexible. Level 7 wind resistance. Low battery power auto return. Easy to pull out and charge. Support longer flying time. Equipped with 4K HD camera to take good quality photos and videos while flying. Bring a new perspective to your photos and videos from the air. It will always returns automatically whenever battery is low, signal is lost or you press one key return. Follow me mode make the drone always follow your steps and point. The camera will catch your every move and take aerial photos or videos. Plan your flying route by drawing the dots on the built-in map on the app, recording beautiful scenery along the route. Besides, the GPS mode will give you the exact positioning details of the drone. Number 1. Brand name, EACHINE. EACHINE EX5 drone built with 4K UHD camera. Each picture ensures shooting 3840 into 2160 high-resolution images and videos, with 5G FPV transmitter, saves smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second. Play first-person vision 2.7K video taken by the drone immediately in your mobile device at 25 frames per second. Electronically controlled camera function allows you remotely adjust the shooting angle about 0 to 90 degrees by your remote control or app. GPS and optical flow positioning. GPS positioning gives you the precise positioning details of the drone, keeping track of the position of the drone and providing the automatic return function. You won't lose the drone anytime. Along with the optical flow positioning, barometer, and satellite systems, and it has a terrific return to home point and a new more precise landing technology. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and longevous than a brushed motor. The large capacity battery provides the drone 30 minutes flight time each charge. This drone is very light and weighs 229 grams. Such a mini size is easy to carry. Although this drone is lightweight, it has strong wind resistance and can withstand level 4 wind, which is much better than most drones on the market.